Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update WordPress safely without errors. So first of all, after logging into the WordPress, go to dashboard and then under the dashboard, go to updates. Now, before you do the update, make sure to do a backup from your server side so that in case of any failure, you will be able to recover your website again. So now click on, if you want to upgrade WordPress, just click on update the WordPress version and now wait for it to be finished. It will start the download and then unpack and then it will start copying the files. It will put the website in maintenance mode and after the update is complete, it will show you something like this. It will show you the detail about if the website has been updated or not. So that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.